Practicing yoga is often seen as a journey toward flexibility, strength, and inner peace. However, for many of us, this journey is not without its challenges. Physical discomfort or limitations can arise at any time, whether due to past injuries, chronic pain, or simply the natural aging process. The key to navigating these challenges lies in adopting a mindful and adaptive approach to your practice. By listening to your body and making necessary adjustments, you can cultivate a safe and enjoyable yoga routine that respects your boundaries and promotes healing. One of the most significant benefits of managing physical discomfort mindfully is injury prevention. When we practice yoga with awareness, we become attuned to our bodies, allowing us to recognize when we are pushing too hard or overextending ourselves. This heightened awareness helps us maintain a safe practice, reducing the risk of injuries that can arise from strain or overexertion. Moreover, working within our limits fosters physical and emotional resilience. Each time we adapt our practice to meet our needs, we build patience and self-awareness, cultivating a deeper connection with ourselves. Enhancing body awareness is another crucial aspect of a mindful yoga practice. By focusing on modifications and adjustments, we heighten our awareness of bodily sensations and limitations. This process fosters a stronger mind-body connection, allowing us to navigate our practice with greater ease. Additionally, practicing gently and mindfully can support healing and recovery from injuries or chronic discomfort. When we honor our bodies and their needs, we enhance our overall well-being and create a nurturing environment for healing to take place. Self-compassion plays a vital role in this journey. Working within our limits encourages us to accept where we are without judgment. Instead of striving for an idealized version of our practice, we learn to embrace our current abilities and limitations, fostering a sense of kindness toward ourselves. This self-compassion not only enriches our yoga practice, but also spills over into other areas of our lives, promoting a healthier relationship with ourselves. To effectively manage physical discomfort in yoga, several techniques can be employed. One of the most beneficial methods is the use of props. Props such as blocks, straps, bolsters, and blankets can make poses more accessible, reducing strain on muscles and joints. For instance, placing a block under your hands in forward fold can alleviate pressure on your hamstrings, while using a strap in seated forward fold can help you avoid overextending your back. These props are not crutches. They are tools that empower you to practice safely and comfortably. Another essential technique is focusing on breath and relaxation. Deep, mindful breathing can help release tension and redirect our focus away from discomfort. When we anchor ourselves in our breath, we cultivate a sense of calm that permeates our practice. Techniques such as diaphragmatic breathing or ujjayi breath can be particularly effective in challenging poses, helping us stay relaxed and connected to our bodies. Modifying poses to meet our unique needs is also crucial. Modifications are not lesser versions of a pose. They are tailored adaptations that honor our individual circumstances. For example, if you experience discomfort in your wrists or shoulders, practicing half plank instead of full plank allows you to maintain strength without straining. Listening to our body's signals is paramount. We must practice awareness and recognize when discomfort arises. Distinguishing between beneficial stretching and pain is essential. If we feel sharp or intense sensations, it's a cue to back off and adjust our practice accordingly. Moving slowly and with intention is another powerful technique. When we transition deliberately between poses, especially during flows like sun salutations, we give ourselves the opportunity to explore each movement without pushing beyond our limits. This mindful approach allows us to adjust and modify as needed, fostering a more compassionate practice. Incorporating restorative or yin yoga poses can also be beneficial when managing physical discomfort or fatigue. These gentle, supportive poses provide deep stretches without exertion, allowing us to relax while still reaping the benefits of our practice. Poses like child's pose, legs up the wall, and supported bridge offer accessible ways to unwind and restore balance. Limiting time spent in challenging poses is another strategy to consider. If discomfort arises, reducing the duration of a challenging pose can make it more manageable. For instance, setting a timer for shorter holds and gradually increasing the duration as your body becomes more comfortable can help you build strength and confidence over time. Building strength gradually is vital for alleviating discomfort in areas prone to strain. For example, practicing bridge pose can strengthen the glutes, relieving pressure on the lower back, while chair pose builds leg strength and supports the knees. This gradual approach fosters sustainable growth and enhances our overall practice. To deepen our practice further, incorporating mindfulness techniques can be transformative. Regularly performing a body scan throughout the session allows us to check in with areas of tightness or strain, adjusting as needed. Approaching our limitations with acceptance and non-judgment helps us cultivate a positive relationship with our bodies. Visualization techniques, such as imagining each breath as a wave of relaxation, can aid in releasing tension and promoting calmness. Setting intentions of self-care and patience at the beginning of each session allows us to honor and care for our bodies. Embracing patience and allowing growth to unfold naturally is essential for a fulfilling yoga journey. Ultimately, honoring our physical limitations enhances our practice in profound ways. By embracing our bodies as they are, we build long-term strength and flexibility, prevent injury, and foster self-acceptance. This approach supports holistic growth, allowing us to cultivate mental resilience and emotional balance along with physical strength. As we navigate our yoga journey, let us remember that it is not about perfection but about honoring ourselves, listening to our bodies, and embracing the beautiful process of growth and healing.